guys! Welcome to our Kahong Bees Behind the Scenes series. Ayan, maulang afternoon at ngayon samahan nyo ako kasi mag-prepare tayo para sa ating orders. Ayan, so this is our work tea shop. Welcome to my humble work tea shop. Ayan, so as you can see, it's so messy at empty ang ating mga containers of fruit teas. So we need to ayan, those are our dehydrator. Ayan, so small scale lang tayo. So, konti lang yung dehydrator natin. Here are some of our dried fruits. Bale, ang mga lemon, those are discarded lemon na. Hindi siya magagamit. I'm still thinking what to do with them. Maybe to powderize them. Yeah, and of course, ito yung mga leftover na pineapple natin and dragon fruit and strawberries and some I think there is watermelon, yeah, and then the kiwi over there. Yee, yan. Okay, so we keep them in an airtight container. And as you can see, in small batches yung mga ginagawa namin na dried fruits kasi hindi kami ganong nag-stack. So, freshly dried or dehydrated halos, yung mga ginagawa namin na mga fruit teas. Yan. So, we have an order and they said gusto nila ng 15-day na fruit tea gift boxes. So, usually, it's a reseller price. We offer reseller program if they get from 10 boxes of fruit teas and up. Yes. Meron naman kaming reseller program. Oh my God. So, these are our 7-day box. So, we use a corrugated box. Yes. Yan. So, the first thing that we need to do is we prepare first the packaging. And then, I think I have some stickers printed. Yung mga leftover before. And then, I will check. Kasi, in our packaging, we have the sticker cover for the box. Diba? So, this is the box. It's so cute. Ito yung box natin. Ayan. So, there is a main, how do you call this? There is a main cover for this. And, yeah, this may contain 7 sachet of fruit teas. Ayan, so these are the boxes that we already folded. These are 15 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have gift boxes. Ito yung style niya muna. Ito yung mga raw boxes natin. This is for for putting the stickers, the main cover. Yan. So after that, I have some extra here. May 5 extra dito. Gagawa tayo. For stock. And after that, i-prepare naman natin yung mga stickers. Like this. So, usually, ako yung gumagawa ng mga stickers. I made those stickers using Canva. You know, kapag nasa small business kuan ka, gagawin mo lahat. Ako yung of course, it's part of your branding. So, gusto ko mas may personalized touch yung aming fruit teas. So, ang daming pinagdaanan niya actually na packaging. So far itong 2024 until this year, we are still using that kind of packaging. Kasi from 2021 until 2023, paiba-iba yung packaging namin. I think depende ata sa mood ko. Diba? Yan. So, I need to complete the 4th. Yan. So, we have the kiwi. Yan. Ito yung may kiwi. Fruity citrus kiwi stickers. Yan. Konti na lang ito. So, I need to print out for this. This one is blue turnate. And honey lemon. So, meron tayong extra dito. Kakat natin siya mamaya. Ito yung chia blend. Oh.
Mommy, can we eat this?
Okay. Drink water, yes?
Yes.
And then we have the this is not for, we don't have yet the orange blend. So nasama kong na print no last. Anyway, gagawa tayo if it's available na yung fruit, yung Valencia orange. Pero wala pa siya ngayon. Okay, and then after the stickers, yeah, hindi na to. Also, I already printed a lot. So, I don't need to print na pala. Meron na palang extra dito. Yeah. This was all from the previous orders. Yeah, so pag usually ginaganahan akong mag-print na kapag may mga orders. Pero pag hindi, dati kasi naka-prepared sila. Pero nung maraming prepared, halos yung na-order is yung reseller na yung walang label. And naubusan pa ako ng vacuum pouch. Hindi ko sila magamit. Okay, and then yung other, we put some notes. So sabi ko, gusto kong personalize yung aming packaging. So we put some thank you note card. Yeah, in here we have our tagline, every sip a connection to home. And then some vision, thank you, and then the benefits of the fruit teas. Yan, para may may mabasa din yung ating mga customers. So these are some okay. So these are what we usually do before preparing the order. So the order is due on Sunday, and unluckily and unfortunately, we don't have lemon. Ayan, so yun yung isang struggle namin as business owners kapag may order tapos may isang ingredient lang na wala. Di ako makamove. So, I already contacted most of the supplier of lemons. They don't have it. Maliliit pa daw yung mga lemon. And, ayun. So, I went to the market. Yeah, I saw some lemons naman. I'm just waiting for the market day. Kaya lang, I need this on Sunday and I need to dehydrate the lemon today. Para dried na siya tomorrow and we can blend it. We can blend naman kasi yung 15 boxes of 7 days is equivalent to 107 sachets. So, kayang-kaya namin siya in a day. But then, the dehydrating part is actually the one that is needing a lot of time. Eh, hindi mo naman nilagay lang sa dehydrator and na-dry na siya agad. Hindi naman pwede yun. So, it should be today. So, as of this time, since I've already prepared the boxes, I'm going out to the market and it's raining and I need to source out some lemon. I actually estimated and I need some 4 kilos of lemon to make that 15 boxes. Yes. Actually, I just need the lemon. I have some other ingredients already. Yan. Kapag wala talaga ang lemon, di ako makagalaw. Yun. Yan. So, yeah, this is one of our struggle as business owners. Ang hirap din sabihin na wala. Kasi, this is the season of the fruit teas. Hanggang bare months. So, yung goal namin na makapag-stock na pornada siya. Kasi, this year, yung season ng lemon is bigla siyang nawala. Bigla siyang naging limited. Unlike last year, as I was browsing my records, maraming stock ng lemon last year. In this month, in this rainy season. Hindi naman marami, pero at least meron. Pero ang nakapag, yung kinontak ko silang halos lahat, wala. Ayun. So, I think I need to source from other municipalities. So, we have the Sagada lemon. They equal also the taste from the barley. Hindi ko pa na-try yung from Benguet. Yeah, maybe I will try that. And there is also another lemon farm from Vizcaya. I heard it. Pero they are the green one, yung green na green talaga. Ayan. So, anyway, yun muna guys. Thank you for being with me today. And I think I'll be back if meron akong nabiling lemon today. I need to dry it tonight because the drying time of lemon takes more than 24 hours. Yes, para maganda na siya. Hindi ka, ano yun, mag-worry for, ano yun, molding or para mag-last yung quality niya. More than 24 hours para talaga fully dry siya. Ayan. So, thank you for being with me. And, yes, this is what we do in a daily basis. We encounter problems, we solve them. Yan. So, ito yung problema ko ngayong araw. Yan. So, guys. So, I'll update you later on if makapag-update ako if I bought some lemon outside and how much is the difference of the price. Yan. And then, maybe I could also show you how we slice the lemon later. I'll add it in this video. Okay, so thank you for being with me, and then I'll see you in a bit. Bye.